I'm Chris, and this is our Ashford kitchen. My daughter had a new kitchen fitted, and when my wife saw my daughter's kitchen, she said, "Why can't I have a new kitchen?" My daughter, she chose Ashford, so it was an obvious choice to us. And I had a good friend that said they're probably one of the best kitchens you'll come across. And my instructions were that when my wife walked through the door, the kitchen must have the wow factor. And I think that was well achieved without any doubt. Everyone that we spoke to and dealt with were very efficient, and I'm not just saying this, but communication was amazing. The virtual tour, which was provided by the designer, it was amazing when I saw the kitchen, and when I clicked on the door to the utility room and saw the utility room, I just said to my wife, I'm sold. Friends want to come to our house and spend an evening drinking champagne from the chiller in the middle of the island. And my wife's an excellent cook, and this complements her skills in the whole kitchen that we've got. I am actually impressed with it all. And the double ovens, they're really good. The steam oven is amazing, and the coffee machine, it all really ticks all the boxes for me. 4 years on, I walk into my kitchen and it still gives me a wow factor. I still enjoy the kitchen. If you buy a quality product from a quality company like Ashford, then you can't go wrong.